Birmingham GTRCs. We're here and we're having a go at some of this, guys. Yeah, well, I had a little go myself. As you guys can see, made myself a little back garden ramp. Have a bit of fun in the back garden with. I've been thinking about doing it for a few weeks and I've been buying bits and pieces, bits of wood here and there, brought all my bits. And finally yesterday decided to put it all together. This is what I come up with. First prototype. I just want to check some angles and curves, and I want it more for tricks, guys, and stuff, you know, for kind of going up rather than distance. I want to go up so I can, you know, backflips and all the rest of it, get some air time in. So yeah, this is what we're working with, guys. That's what we're working with. As you can see, nice and strong, 2x2, 15mm side pieces. Nice and sturdy, guys. That's how we do it. 1.5 inch screws. The only thing I'm not happy with is this board. I don't think it's going to last. I think the screws will pull through and all kinds. I just saw it at the time and thought, yeah, let's have a go. It flexes, it's thick, but it's a bit too brittle. And yeah, it's not the best board. But I'll swap that out. It's not a problem. Just pull out a few screws and a new board on. Not an issue. Plenty of spares and all kinds, guys. I'm making a few ramps. I'm making a few bits and pieces here. Got all the tools out. You know, I'm out, I'm busy. I'm doing the thing, guys. Coffee time though, yeah? Tea break. I'll be back. Alright, guys, yep, as you saw from the start of the video, yeah, I built myself a ramp, guys, to jump my Hobao and then maybe a few other buggies that I'll get. It's a little back garden stunt ramp. So yeah, I just checked it all out and all good, guys, man, all good. Checking the angles, you know, how it's jumping the car off the ramp, how it's sending it, man, it's sending it lovely. So yeah, I take that down the park and really send it. Do you know what I mean, and see what happens. As you can see, I'm jumping into a bit of stone gravel over there, you know, because I wanted to test it, make sure everything's good. And as well, I was landing it literally almost all the times. I wasn't trying backflips or anything like that because I'm pretty new to all this jumping game. So, you know, I've set my buggy up again. I'm trying to get that, you know what I mean, buggy set up for jumping, you know. So that's what I'm trying to do there, work out, you know, what's going to feel good, what's not. You know, so at the moment it's all right, guys. You know, it's all right. you know, it's not bouncy, definitely not bouncy. So I'm just seeing how hard I need to, sorry, how firm I need to get my suspension before I start getting any real bounce back, you know, because I want to be able to send it a good height at least. So yeah, I'm just firming up the suspension, checking all that, and until we get a nice suspension set up and everything ready to proper send it. Obviously we don't want to break it. See, I'm just running that controller on it, so it's got the range, all good. Give you a quick look at the ramp close up. It's just a prototype, guys. Alright, there you have it. A little quick test of the homemade ramp. Yeah, just thought I'd have a go, guys, you know, while we're on lockdown, not much to do. So yeah, I planned this a few weeks ago, like, yeah, I'll start making a ramp and so forth. And one of my neighbours hooked me up with some wood. So yeah, I've built myself a ramp so I can have a bit of fun in the back garden, and mainly take down the part though, guys, and send it. I wanted to check the angles, make sure it was running okay. You can see there, this wood's, you can still see the sticker on it, 6mm. I think most of that sticker's come off, but that's what I did put on there. But it's too brittle. It bent enough, but yeah, there's somewhere it cracked twice. There's a little crack there, and somewhere else, you know, it's quite a steep bend. So maybe 5mm, 4mm will work better, and obviously a different type of wood. It was just what I came across at the time, you know. It was inexpensive, so I was like, yeah, go on, it's brand new, maybe it'll bend, or it'll probably just break. So it's bent, but I did hear it crack twice. So I don't know how long it will last, but it's just a template at the moment, this whole setup, just to check angles, size of the ramp. I'm going to build it a lot more sturdier and better. I just wanted to see how it was, you know, the width, because I didn't want it to be too big, too wide. I want to be able to put it in the car. So I may make it maybe another 100mm wider, you know, 200mm wider, but not a lot wider. But yeah, I may make it just a little bit wider. But apart from that though, guys, yeah, the car hits it nice and jumps off it nice. I didn't hit it too hard or anything like that. I don't know if you can really see. I think if that's a little scrape, maybe, yeah, maybe there. But I weren't hitting it hard. But yeah, the car jumps nice, under control. And I was just trying to jump it really and not do too much throttle input, you know. And the most I had to do really was just give a bit of throttle to keep it, keep the rear end in check. Apart from that, guys, the front end and everything else, the car jumped, the balance was good. The car jumps good as well. I was actually really shocked. The car jumps really well, guys. So yeah, we want to get it down somewhere real nice where you can, as you can see, there's a bit of weeds. You couldn't see how the car was landing and stuff. But yeah, you know, back garden job, and it just a quick little test run of the ramp, guys. So yeah, I'm gonna get back in now and make some plans to get this out, guys, and show you what we can do with this. And you know, I'm new to all this jumping and stuff like that, and back flipping and all that kind of stuff. So I know I got to tune diffs and shocks and shock fluids, and I'm trying to figure it all out, guys. So I thought I'd build myself a little something and teach myself to jump as well. I see enough of it on YouTube, as you guys all do, and I pay close attention. I'm listening. I'm listening. Yeah, I'm listening. I know a little bit about it. Now it's time to put it into practice, you know, and see if I've got the throttle control to be able to give it a little air control and send it, guys. Until then, stay tuned, like and subscribe. Birmingham GT RCs.